Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox old but rare figures from PopMart, which is the Demo Retro series. If you watch my previous vlog, I already unboxed 4 figures from this lineup. So I'm so excited to complete the series and I'm going to do a secret hunting. Plus, I'm going to give you a bonus boxes which is the Batman 85 years. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get the full series or the full set because this was so fast to sold out. But I managed to get two because I have some figures that with cars. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Before we begin with the unboxing, let me show you first my collections, which is the Skull Panda. I have this Skull Panda Laid Back Tomorrow series. If you watch my previous vlog, I managed to get a secret. And I'm looking for the other figures which is not included in the sets. And as I've told you, I unboxed 4 figures from the Demo Retro series. If you can see in my background. So these are my old collections. So I want to complete this set because I found them very cute and adorable. And I want to do a secret hunting because these are rare figures nowadays. So let me show you first the box. So this is the Demo Retro series. As I've said in my previous vlog, I really like the minimalist design of this box. It's just highlighted the figure of Demo, which is like reflectorized finish of the artwork. And if you can see in the lineup, you will never know what colors are you gonna get. So you will be surprised. That's why I like this series. And they have 3 secrets, which is the secret 1, secret 2, and the super secret, which has a probability of 1 over 288. Secret A and B has a probability of 1 over 144. So from this lineup, I already got the hmm, Little Green Dragon. I had the Snowy Owl. I got the Flamingo and the Rocky Overload. I'm not sure if this is the Rocky Overload or this is the one. Oh, maybe this Rocky Overload. So if you can see my background, I have the 4 already. So if we are able to get a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil and I'm going to dish dash it, but I'm hoping that I won't get a duplicate because I just get these boxes separately. So I have now like 9 boxes from this series. So we're still looking for 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12. I have 4 already. We're still looking for 8 confirmed figures and either of these secrets. I'm not sure if we are managed to get one. So I'm hoping, crossing my fingers. So let's see. I'm so excited and I'm nervous at the same time because I don't like to get a duplicate. So let's see, guys. I'm going to open or unbox this one at the bottom part, as I've said. And we're going to check first the artwork because if this is a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil. So 1, 2, 3. Yes! We got the another Rocky, which is the Rocky King. We have the Rocky Overload now. And I'm so excited with this one because it has now the pair. And I really like figures with crown. So yes, we got the Rocky King. You know that the head of Demu is removable every time that there's a plastic in between the neck. So you can remove the head and put it back again. And let me open the crown, which is red. The previous one that I had was gold. This one is red with green touch, matching with the eyes of Demo here. So Demo hair is metallic silver. This one is so cute. And what the good thing about the figure here is bigger than the other Demo. And the hands is Moving like this, you can tilt the hands. So Dimo here has this black gloves with silver design. I really like this one. Very nice one. Very cool figure. Dimo World Pop Mart at the bottom part. And the clouds, it's silver. The baby cloud of Dimo is silver with red eyes and blush on. And yeah, this one is so cute. I actually like this one. And it's not a duplicate. This is Rocky King. What can you say about the figure, guys? Comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box. Unfortunately, this box is dented. Maybe because this one is old and just keeping in their warehouse. That's why they want to clear the collection now. But I'm so happy to manage to get some pieces. Unfortunately, they don't have the full set. So I just got the 9 pieces that they have already. So let's see our art card. One, two, three. Oh, the little dragon. So sad. I have this one already. Oh no. So let me remove and show to you. Unfortunately, we have our first duplicate. So this is the little green dragon. So you can see the scales of the dragon on the head, some details at the back. I can show you. Dimo has this dragon wings with a dragon tail, his closed eyes. Unfortunately, our first duplicate, sad. So yeah, what can you say about this one, guys? Comment down below. Now let's go with our third box. So unfortunately, we got our first duplicate. So sad. I just hope that we manage to get, you know, secret or just one duplicate is enough. I don't want to get another duplicate. So let's see the art card. One, two, three. Oh, we got the elk. So I don't have this one yet. So we can open this one up. Elk is the partner of Snowy Owl. One, two, three. Oh, look. This one is so beautiful. Let me remove the plastic. Okay. This one reminds me of a Christmas vibe because, elk is the reindeer of Santa Claus. And you can see some snowflakes on the head of Dimo here. Dimo has this brown ombre hair. So the baby clouds looks like the elf with these antlers. And you can see at the back, there's some snows and snowflakes on the head of Dimo. Also, on the trousers of Dimo, there's some snowflakes design, and you can see that Dimo here has this tail of an elk. Very nice. Actually, very cute one with the green eyes. I can really partner this one with the owl. So what can you say about elk Dimo, guys? You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our fourth box and let's open it up. Open it up. Open it up at the bottom part again. I hope it's not a duplicate. Please give me something new or any of this secret, guys, please. So let's see the art card first. Oh no! Another duplicate. So sad. What is this? Okay, let me show you the flamingo. Flamingo, flamingo, flamingo. Okay, our second duplicate. Actually, this is one of my favorites from this series because Dimo here has this tan color skin with these blue eyes. Very nice one. And the clouds, the baby cloud is so pearlescent finish. Very cute one. And there's some glitters or you can see the hand. It's so shimmery and the body of Dimo here, very shimmery. So, our second duplicate, sad, the flamingo. Okay, guys, if anyone wants this one, just give me a message and you can comment down below. How sad! And this is our fifth box. And we're not starting very, very good because we have these two duplicates already. Huh. Okay. I just hope there will be no more duplicates, guys. It seems like this vlog is not a good day. But this is the fun part of not getting the full set, and gambling of getting different boxes and trying to get a secret. Yeah, this is fun actually, but sad at the same time. So our fifth figure. What is this? Another Rocky King? Whoa! Two Rocky King. What is this? Guys, I have two Rocky King. It's so funny. You know what? What happened was, I'll explain it to you. There are nine boxes, and I purchased them in three different orders. And I just don't know why they have two Rocky King for those nine boxes left. So guys, three dupes. Three dupes are three duplicates so far. This is not a good sign. So what can you say about these three duplicates, guys? You can comment down below. Guys, our seventh boxes. So we still have like four left. Four boxes left from this series. And we had what's this? Three duplicates already. So I just hope I'll get it's so funny. The Angel and the Devil, the Joker and the Magician, the Snowball, we're still looking for that. The Pajamas Rabbit, and the Secret. Guys, what's this? It's not fun at all. It's not fun at all of getting three duplicates already. Wow. It's so sad. Okay. Our next one, daytime. Daytime. What we have here? The daytime. Daytime, Joker, Magician, Rocky King. Wow! I guess this is the secret. Yes! I guess this is the secret. I just don't know which is the secret here. Secret A, B, or C. Whoa! We got a secret. Wow! Now it's okay to get duplicates. And we got the secret. Oh no! We managed to get a secret, guys. I just don't know if this is the secret A, B, or C. So let's see. One, two, three. I'm so excited. One, two, three. Yes! Wow! Wow! This is a secret. Nice. We get the daytime secret. Okay, I'm going to go back later on and I'll just check if which secret is this one. And we managed to get a secret. It's okay to get those duplicates because I have a secret. And this one is so cool. It looks like a marble finish. A very nice one. Look how beautiful, guys. Wow! I'm so happy. I got a secret. What can you say about daytime, guys? Please comment down below. Guys, I check it out and we got the other secret, which is A or B, because the partner of daytime is, which is the Dark Knight. We got the other secret. I just hope we able to get another secret, guys. Oh wow! So let's see, guys. So I'm going to proceed with our next box. I'm so happy, and we have one secret from this lineup. It's okay that we got multiple duplicates. I'm fine with that as long as we got the secret, which has a probability of 1 over 44. That's too high. So let's see. Our I guess this is the seventh box because we managed to get six only. So let's see our seventh box. We're still looking for the Joker, the Magician, Angel and Devil, Snowball, and Pajamas, and the two secrets. So let's see. I just hope it's not a duplicate. So one, two, three. Oh, we got the devil! The one that I like as well. So let's see. Look how beautiful the art card, guys. Very nice. So, Demo Devil, one, two, three. Oh my goodness. I told you. These series are so beautiful. And look how beautiful Demo Devil here. There's some, maybe for some others will not like this one, but yeah, this one is so cute. The horns, the pearlescent finish of the head of Demo here. Demo has these tails at the back, some skeleton, like some diamond on the design. So Demo here is so bad. What is so nice about this one is the details, the eyes. How cool this one. The horn is so from like it's pearlescent or not translucent finish on the end. Very nice one. The one seeing eyes crying. Wow, this one is so cool. I really like this one as well. What can you say about this one, guys? Please comment down below. So, guys, we have last two boxes from Demo Retro series. And I just hope we got the Angel and the other two secrets or in either of this Joker and Magician. So, let's see our eight box now and to unveil the eighth figure. 246 because that's 246. Yeah, we got duplicates from Rocky. Oh no. Anyway, so one, two, three. Yes, we got the Magician. Look how beautiful. Very beautiful one. And let's see how beautiful the actual figure. So one, two, three. Whoa, this one is one of my favorites. The head of Demo is like a gummy finish. It's translucent. I like the dress of Demo here. He looks like a clown here. Very nice one. This one is so cool. I really like this. Very, very nice. Very cool, guys. What can you say about the Magician? This one is one of my favorites. Wow, this one is so cool. Demo here looks so grumpy. Haha, very nice. You can comment down below. Let's proceed with our last box, and this one is so light figure. I just don't know who will be our last figure for today's vlog. I just hope it's not another duplicate, and I'm looking forward for another secret. So let's see our final figure for Demo Retro. I'm going to show you the art card. Oh, another devil! What the heck? What the heck? How many duplicates we had? One, two, okay. Oh, three and four. We have four dupes. Oh, sad. Oh, I'm going to dish dash these guys if anyone like these. But lucky enough to get the secret, which is the daytime. Ah, it's a mixed emotions right now because four duplicates, but we have one secret. That's fine with me. So this is what we unbox for today's vlog. So let's proceed now with our bonus boxes from Batman. I'm not going to cut this one out. So we have these two boxes from Batman. They have six confirmed figures from this lineup and one secret. And from this lineup, I really wanna get mm, Batman 1996 and The Dark Knight 2008, Batman versus Superman. Any of this lineup, as long as it's not a duplicate, I got these figures because of the vehicles or the cars. If you can see my Skull Panda, I'm going to pair it with them. So let's see, guys. This is my first time to get this one. I was really looking for this series, but unfortunately, we just managed to get two. Uh-oh. This is the car. Look how beautiful. Whoa. Who car is this? Oh, I guess this is Batman, the animated series. Let's see. Yeah, the animated series 1992. This is the art card, very nice one. Let me remove the car here and let me check. Wow, this one is so cool. Very good quality material. Very nice details. Wow, this one is so nice. Okay, let's see the figure of Batman. There's some inclusions. I guess this is like a stand. Yeah, this is the stand. The logo of Batman. Very nice. Very nice one. So one, two, three. Oh, it's just a small figure. And it's nice. Look. How cool. Very nice one. Let me put Batman on the stand. And why it's not fitting in? Maybe this side. Wow. This one is so cool. What can you say about this one, guys? Batman, the animated series 1996. If you like this one, comment down below. I have now partners with Skull Panda. Very cool figure. Very nice car. Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our final box of Batman. So let's see if this one is my prio that I really like to get. I really like to get the Dark Knight, the Batman versus Superman. I actually like Batman 1996, but now because I have this blue one, I really like either of these four. The full black. Oh! What the heck? What the heck? It's a dupe! Oh no! Duplicate. What the heck? Okay. It's not a good sign. It's not a good vlog. Is it? I'm not sure. So guys, we got duplicates of Batman. We have 4 duplicates from Dimu, but we managed to get a secret. So this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. What can you say about the roller coaster ride of emotions of unboxing with this Dimu Retro series and the Batman the Batman series of 85 years? Well, I'm happy enough. Well, that's the fun of doing of blind box unboxing. So, yeah, this is the final lineup. I'm happy enough. That's cool. That's good enough. We have the secret. We have the good Batman. We have the bad devil. We have these three, my 3 favorites from this lineup. So, yeah. So this is my favorites, guys. The secret, of course, the devil and the magician. And I actually like the another Rocky because I have the partner now with the other Rocky guys. Well, Batman, not my prio, but it's cool enough. It's a duplicate. So if you have other favorites and if you have comments about what we unboxed for today's vlog, you are free to comment down below. And if you have other suggestions that you want me to unbox in the future, you can share with me your favorites and list down in the comment section. And if you had fun watching my vlog, you can like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, guys, please do subscribe and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!